Here we have it, JKC's newest look for fall 2024, the pumpkin spice latte look. Starting with the lips, I already have on Sedona Clay liner and Kiss My Aztec lipstick, popping on some of the My Two Cents gloss to give me a glow. Next up, I'm going to put on blush, even though you guys know I hate this shit. Doing it for y'all, doing it for Amber. Time is Honey Cream Blush first, and then Baked Terracotta on top to add some sheen. For the eyes, I started with Pumpkin Pie on the lid, tap, tap, tap. Then I moved to Chimea River on the outer corner of my eye and into my crease to hide my hooding on my eyelid. Next, I used Salted Caramel with a little bit of sheen right over my iris on my lid. I wanted to use an espresso brown liner instead of a black to keep up with the theme. Tight lining with that, giving myself a little bit of a dovetail at the end to lift my eye. Then I go back over with the Raisin Hell, which is a really dark triple pigment to smudge out the liner. Cleaning up with Nude Bisque concealer for any drop off, tapping it with my fingers, then curling it with a heated eyelash curler and applying the Infinity Length mascara. This is the only mascara I can use. It's a tubular mascara, so it does not smudge on me, and everything else in the world does. So already looking pretty good, but I'm going to talk about just one more thing, and that is highlighter. If you have a lot of texture on your orbital bone, please do not do this, but a little bit of the Velvet Rose highlighter right on top of the cheekbones and down the nose gives you a really nice glow. So there you have it, looking cute.